Wendy and I work at the Central Branch Library, and we are doing this cute little paper succulent today. This is made all out of paper. Alright, so now your pack, you're going to have to cut out all of these items, but I've pre-cut them. You need 8 of these cactus sides. And once you got them cut out, you're going to fold each in half lengthwise. Once you have all that done, you're going to start gluing them together. Okay, so you can see I've got them all glued together. Now I've done this just one on top of the other, folded side to folded side. We're going to get the last one on here, and then we're going to glue the whole thing together. Okay, right now we have our 3-dimensional cactus. Might want to double check. See, those two were stuck together. You should have 8 sides to it. There we go. So now that part is done. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the little flower pot. So you're going to take your circle and you're going to cut about maybe 1/2 inch apart, little lines, and stop at the inner circle. You can see how I've done that. Okay, so we're going to fold all of these little guys down. So all you see is that inner circle. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Kind of fluff these up because we're actually going to glue them. Alright. It's going to be way easier to glue this guy than it is to try to put glue on here. So that's what we're going to do. Now you don't need to glue this whole thing. You just need to do, like, I would say about the top half of it, lengthwise. Then we're going to leave a little room. I would say that's about 1/2 inch or so. And you're just going to start gluing your guy. And you're going to have to sort of wiggle it around to make sure it sticks here. See, I'm doing with my finger right here, sort of pushing it up and down until the glue catches really well. There. a little final, get it to stick. Put a lot of glue right there on the end, and there we go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and work on the flower next. Now you're going to cut this guy out, and then I gave you some toothpicks. Just sort of wrap the flower petals around the toothpick. Curve them up. You've got them curled. You also want to sort of curl it up a little bit like this too. Just bunch it up. Looks more like a real cactus flower. At this point we're going to put a whole lot of glue on there. And put it on the top of our little cactus. Okay, so our guy's ready to go, but this is the bottom layer. We actually want to wrap this around here. And look guys, you saw how much difficulty I had getting the glue to stick, to get this to stick. If you want, try to use a little piece of tape just to hold this guy in there. All right, so now we just need to put it together. Now, if you do have trouble with this, I'm going to include a little bit of tape so that you can get this stuff to stick really well. This guy, we're trying to get our cactus up in here. Okay. And that is almost it. The last thing you're going to do is take your little pom-poms and just put them all around the edges. There we go. That is it. The 3D paper succulent. Thank you for watching.